Getting some breaking news now of different meetings being held in the national capital on the COVID vaccine, on India's COVID vaccine. In fact, the subject expert committee in the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization met today, and the subject was to consider the emergency use authorization request of PFIZER, Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech Private Limited. Further time was requested on behalf of PFIZER. Additional data and information also presented by the Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech was analyzed by the SEC. Now, the analysis of the additional data and information is going on. SEC will convene again on the 1st of January. That's a breaking news update. Let me go across to Abhishek, who has more details. Abhishek, the Drugs Controller of India also discussing a possible rollout, a nod perhaps in India. When are we expecting some sort of a breakthrough or an announcement?
Well, Niranjan, sources tell us that it's almost a finality that in the next meeting of the Subject Experts Committee, which is a 10-member body under the Drug Control General of India, and they would be almost close to giving permission for emergency use authorization of these two vaccines, the permission for which has been sought. In fact, in the last meeting that took place before this one, which was on December 10, additional data was sought, which has been provided today. Preliminary run-through with the data has been done, but then it needs some further analysis. What is important is that all these developments are taking place in the backdrop of the UK government giving permission to the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, and that is something which is being manufactured at the Serum Institute of India in Pune. And I think we are pretty close to a final decision being taken. You can expect that a rollout would happen in January. The date itself, January 1, is significant. You can almost believe that the new year or the new dawn comes with a new hope that ultimately we would be overpowering and winning over the COVID-19 pandemic. And I think the SEC would come back with some good news on January 1. That's why this date.
Okay, let's hope, wait for that announcement when it happens. Abhishek, thank you for joining us with those inputs. Two key meetings that were held today. One on the emergency authorization of a possible COVID vaccine, and the second also the drugs controller mulling a possible nod to an Indian vaccine, rather a vaccine for COVID-19 to be used in India.